Hi, this is Teresa Wagger from Coastal Waters Creative, and today we're learning how to save and share your favorite photos from photography websites. This is valuable because today we want to protect our websites so that any photos that are on it are copyright protected. The best way to have a copyright protected photo is to take the photo yourself. Then you know for sure who owns it. The next best way is to go to a website where you know the conditions. So someplace like Unsplash, where you know that they're free for any kind of use, or depositphotos.com, where you know you can purchase the photo that you need and for the kind of use that you need. So a lot of times we find that we need to share those photos with our web designer or with a team so we can pick them. And that's what we're going to talk about today, how to select those photos and share them with somebody else. Alrighty, here we go. So the first one we're going to start out with is depositphotos.com. So I'm going to go there, start there. And you can see here's depositphotos.com. And you want to go ahead and sign up for each one of the ones that you want to save favorites or you want to save a light box. You will need to sign up to start. So let's click on sign up, and you can use however you want to choose to do this, whether Google or Facebook or email. Go ahead and sign up, and I'm going to go ahead and go to my site because I've already signed up for this one already. So I have this is what happens when you log in to your Deposit Photos site. Now down here, kind of sneaky in the bottom, is something that says favorites with a little star. I'm going to click on that. And yours is probably empty, but mine has a bunch of photos, a bunch of folders to it. So you can see I have a bunch of folders sitting here. I'm going to add a new folder, and I'm going to call it New Website. Okay. Now, all you need to do, I'm going to close that down. You can see the favorite guy still sits there. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to search for new houses and see what I can do to add to this. Oh, that one's a cool picture. I love this picture of the key. So I'm going to click on that picture. It's going to open up in a separate place. And you can notice when I hover over the picture of the key, you got some options here, some little circles. One is add to cart. Another says add to favorites. So I'm going to click on add to favorites, and that should, yep, it added it to my new website. So whatever the last folder was that you had open, that is the one that's going to add to. So I'm going to go back to look at my little favorite box here, and you can see there it is. Okay, so let me close that one more time, and let's go ahead and go and choose another picture. So you can see how it adds. So how about this for sale sign? And I'm going to hover over it again and go over to where it says add to favorites. Click on that. I'm going to add to my favorites. So I'm going to go down to favorites again. Now, these are two pictures that I know I really love for my website. I want to show my web designer. So I'm going to share them. And up here it says collaborate, the little people head. So go ahead and click on collaborate. And then it has some options. So I'm going to go to share settings and then click on link. Now here's a lovely link. I'm going to copy that link. Now I'm going to go into an email and send that to my web designer. That those are some of the, so that they'll have access to my folder on Deposit Photos. Okay, so that's pretty simple. So another great site that I absolutely love. Let me close all these down real quick. Too much is open. We're going to go to Unsplash. This is an amazing site because it's completely free. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay. Again, you need to go in and you need to set up an account. In Unsplash, they use something called creating a collection. So let's start with photo. We're going to do new houses. So here are our new houses. And oh, these Hobbit houses are so cool. So let's go ahead and click on this particular one. I love this. And we want to add it to a new collection. So I'm going to create new collection. I'm going to name it new website. And I'm going to hit create collection. Okay, so there it is. So that's one. And oh, look at that kitchen. We'll click on that. And again, just click on the plus. Add it to the new website collection. It's very easy to do. Oh, these Hobbit pictures are just so cool. And they must be from New Zealand. So we'll add that one just because it's fun. Again, add it to the new website. And let's try one more thing. I think there's an easier way to do this. Oh, this is so cool. And you can see there's the plus sign. But you can add it to a collection just there. You don't have to actually open it up. Okay. Now, just like we did before, if I click on my face here, I can go to View Profile. And here are collections. I have two collections. I'm going to click on the new website collection. There we go. And I can share that. Again, I can share it in an email. Here's the link. So you can just share it with your web designer and you're ready to go. Alrighty, that's it for today. We learned two different sites, how you can share a Lightbox or a favorites, or in this case of Unsplash, collections. It seems like each website has a different name for them, a unique name. So you want to be able to share those without having to purchase them with your web designer. Alrighty, have a beautiful day. This is Teresa Wagger from Coastal Waters Creative.